In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how you can install the Menyoo mod menu here in GTA 5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the Menyoo mod menu is a single player mod that lets you spawn in vehicles, change the weather, teleport, and activate special abilities. Just keep in mind, this mod is for offline mode only. Do not use this in GTA Online or you risk getting banned. That being said, what you're going to want to go ahead and do first, if you do have GTA open, is actually close out of it and open up a web browser of your choice. And you're going to want to just search up GTA 5 mods. Hit enter and go to gta5-mods.com and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And you're going to want to search specifically for Menyoo, spelled exactly like this, 2.0. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this and it looks super chaotic, but what you're looking for on this page right here is going to be this little download button. So go ahead and select download and then hit download again, and you're going to download that up here. And I recommend just dragging this onto your desktop for easy access. But on top of that, in a separate web browser, what you're going to want to do is actually search dev-c.com/gtav-script-hook-v. And this is going to take you to a page that looks like this. Find GTA 5 on here and just scroll down and you're going to see a download option. Download this as well. You are going to need both of these or this will not work for you. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your GTA 5 installation folder, and this can be accessed a variety of different ways depending on where you actually downloaded GTA 5. And I have full guides kind of breaking down where you can get this if you want a separate guide. Now, I personally do have this through the Epic Games launcher, but it kind of works the exact same way, whether you're on Steam, Rockstar, or whatever. But essentially on Epic Games, you go to your library, you find GTA 5 on here, select it, and then you go to the manage section, and there's an installation section here. Just open that up, and then you can also just file this path right here. And at this point, I would drag the script hook v zip file onto your desktop as well, once again, just for easy access. And then you can close out of Google Chrome because the rest of this is kind of on this. Start by opening up the script hook v file just like so. And what you're going to want to do is find the bin folder just like so. And if you need like written instructions, they are right here. But essentially just drag the bin folder. But essentially just open up the bin folder, and what you're looking for is all three DLL files. This is going to be that X input 4. It's going to be script hook v DLL, and it's also going to be this DI. And it's also going to be this D input 8 option. Just essentially go ahead and drag all three of these in there just like so. And then you can close out of this and open up the Menyoo zip file next. And in here, you're going to see a few different files, specifically the Menyoo ASI file. Drag that in, and then you're going to see the Menyoo stuff option in here. Drag that in as well. Once these are in there for you, what you're going to want to do is just go out of here, and that essentially means your mod is going to be installed. Now, before launching GTA 5, go ahead and get on that Rockstar Games launcher, select this settings gear up at the top, and then find BattleEye and just turn this off, and you'll be good to go. And from here, you can just simply go back to the game section, load into GTA 5, and once you are in game in the story mode, hit F8 on your keyboard to open up the menu, and you'll have access to things like vehicle spawning, teleporting, weapons, weather changes, and so much more. But that is literally it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.